When I first was diagnosed with sleep apnea, I had the nasal pillows, and it didn't take me long to figure out those were not going to work for me. They slipped off, they fell off the back of my head. They were just totally annoying and I couldn't sleep. So I started researching on the internet some options that might be, and I ran across Bleep Sleep. And you know they're a creative company when they call themselves Bleep Sleep. We give a bleep about your sleep. So I knew I wanted to get to know them better. And I ordered the Dream Ports. And they worked very well, but leaked every now and then still. So when the magnetic Eclipse and Halo system came out, I was very, very excited. And they work beautifully. The little pads you put on your nose are surgical grade, and they're very pressure sensitive, so you just tap them and they stick well. And then you just put those little magnet pieces right up here from the hose, and they just jump on it and completely leak free. It swivels. You can turn in bed as much as you want to. No marks on your face. You don't feel like an alien. No marks around your head. It doesn't slip off. You sleep like a baby. It's the most wonderful thing that's ever been invented in the Cpap world. And you can't beat Stuart Hetherington for customer service. It's outstanding. Additionally, I have a pacemaker, and the magnets in the Eclipse system do not damage or interfere with the pacemaker. So that might be a piece of news someone needs to hear. It's wonderful. It's a game changer. Don't ever look back. Get Bleep Sleep and sleep well. I want to encourage you to also be a salesman for this wonderful new product. The medical world doesn't really know about it, and you can be a forerunner to help this get the word out. Old habits die hard, and people get stuck with what they've always had. I took mine to my family doctor, to my pulmonologist, to the sleep clinic, to the DME company, and they were all impressed and had never heard of it and have started prescribing it and are researching it further. So go out on a limb. Be proactive. Let the word get around how wonderful this is.